Hey guys, I'm Songbird Serenade from um man, what's this channel called again? It's Blaze Vlog, Songbird. It's Blaze Vlog. Oh yeah. I'm Songbird Serenade from Blaze Vlog, and today I am here in the beautiful city of Kansas City, inside the greatest, I guess, hunting store of the whole United States. It's Cabela's. Let's let's take a look at what we have. Here is some. These these are monster rides. Def, def, Definitely fun for the whole family. And the Tahoe. This is a boat. And yeah, all of these here are boats. These are boats. And oh, this is neat. I didn't know they had an aquarium. And if you don't know who's at the camera, it's Joey Drew is on the camera. That that is a cool looking fish. And yeah, there's a turtle. Nothing special here. What are those fish? Are they stonefish? They're catfish. I think they're catfish. Right. And more turtles. And these are that's that's a nifty looking fish right there. That has to be the smallest fish I've ever seen. What kind of fish is that? Isn't that a sawfish? How am I supposed to know? What was cool to see. I didn't know they had an aquarium. Did you, Joey? Yes, yes, of course I have. Uh, this looks neat. I guess these are Mercury boat engines. And then this. This, this, this is incredible. So not only that Cabela's is a store, it's also a museum. Precisely, Songbird. This is it could also be a wilderness museum. There's a lot of statues of animals that you can look at. Thanksgiving's almost in the area. Never know that you need one for Thanksgiving. This is the mule deer. If you don't remember from museum trip video. This is cool. That does look cool. That moose looks a lot bigger than the moose at the Songbird Museum. Now, before we climb up the mountain, Songbird, why don't you tell us on the other side of this mountain? These are the stampede of I don't know, some pronghorns. That is a coyote, jackrabbit, prairie dogs, but they say prairie dogs aren't actually dogs. They're actually rodents. And more turkeys. What are these? Javelinas. And the desert sheep. Lynx and the snowshoe hare. The Alaskan brown bears. Pretty neat. Up there is a black bear, which is attacking a wasp's nest. I think that's a nest, wasp's nest. Suddenly just got colder. Polar bears. Wolverine. Arctic wolves. And muskox. No more snowshoe hares. Up these stairs is the top of the tower. Top of the mountain, you mean? Right. There's actually more museum here. That is a big plane. That is the seaplane. These are bighorn sheep. And stone sheep. There, there's the nest. But I think there's more than a missing. There, that's a game. Yeah, the Safari Shooting Gallery. Did I miss something? Oh yeah, you sure did. Better get back down there. Oh, big mistake. Now, everyone makes mistakes. Sorry if I'm getting you sick. There's something in here that I forgot to show you. This is a nice looking African exhibit. Here are the African lions, zebras, Sunnis, bushback, orcs, Cape buffalo, everyone's favorite elephant, warthogs, crocodile, the blue wildebeest, and baboon, and whatever the plate is. It is leopards. There should be some. You said there was another exhibit somewhere. Yes. It's somewhere. Yes. Yeah. I don't think it's here. Not here. Well, here. There it is. Okay, over here, New Deer Country Museum. These are incredible. And, they turned off the water system. Yeah, I guess they did. This exhibit looks like it's been taken in Australia. Here's Another one. Already out having a treehouse. And this is Snowlands. And hey, what's this? Hmm? Oh. That, that yeah, that used to activate. When you press that button, you would assume it would activate. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think they turned it off. So, you've been here before. Yeah, I have. So, I guess you could fill me in on what this Cabela's place is and what it has. Well, it's basically a hunting, camping, and I'm guessing, yeah, I think it's hunting, camping, fishing kind of store, you know. I do want to meet up with my family though. So, thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss out on any new videos. And comment below, would you want to be in Kansas City? Or would you rather stay hunkered down at home? Anyway, see ya.